Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back for the AAA Cards Challenges, and it's challenge 163. It's a sketch, and the optional twist, it flies. This is the card I made because today is Easter, so happy Easter if you're celebrating, I don't know, looking for Easter eggs? Yeah, nope. And that's the sketch. So there's sentiment words of a quote on the bottom, and then an image. Now my image is a bit bigger than that flower. I took some liberties with that. My sentiment is smaller, so yeah. I also made my card much longer and than normal. And yeah, I have two things that flies. So a butterfly and ducks. And I made them yellow, even mommy or daddy duck. This is the envelope. I measured it, but to save on paper, I made it a bit smaller. And this is our metric A4 paper. That's 8 1/4 by 11 3/4, I believe, something like that. It's 21 by 29.7 millimeters. So I cut it at 21 lengthwise. Now I have a square. So if I fold that in half, I get 10.5, which is a normal A6 size metric card. And I'm sorry, I don't know why it keeps focusing like that. But going out of focus. I must have changed the setting. I don't know. Sorry, I didn't notice when I was filming. So the other bit that you have is the same width, but I cut it a little bit smaller. And my printer prints all kinds of sizes that I want. So I printed this digi from Lily of the Valley. It's called Easter Sweeties, and they are so sweet. And as I said, I don't know if it's a mallard, that duck, daddy duck, but I call it everything yellow. And the sentiment I just added while I was in Photoshop. So I, for now, will turn on the music. I had a bit of trouble with the shading of the egg, so I only did a little bit. Had small images. At the end, I have mounted it with foam tape. And our sponsor this fortnight is Templarations. So if you play along with these looking neon lights, ducks. Yeah, sorry, they look a bit weird on my screen, but they're yellow. Templarations, you can win a card if you play along. And I will see you again with AAA Cards Challenges in 2 weeks. For now, happy Easter. I hope you enjoy the coloring, and I hope you will join us at the challenge. So thank you for watching. Bye.